On this Gandhi Jayanti, we celebrate the legacy of Mahatma Gandhi, who believed in unity, innovation, and empowerment. Today, the students of Robotex India come together from different corners of the nation to honor his value through technology. From Aurangabad to Chennai, from Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman to Delhi, students of Robotex India are united by a shared vision to empower communities and create a sustainable future through technology. As we celebrate this Gandhi Jayanti, we honor his legacy by creating innovation that uplift our nation. With the power of technology and the guidance of Robotics India, the students of today are the leaders of tomorrow. Happy Gandhi Jayanti from Robotics India. Let's innovate for a brighter, united future.
Gandhi Ji inspired self-reliance in Aurangabad. We are building future skills ready for tomorrow's India.
We believe in creating sustainable innovation just like Gandhi Ji envisioned.
From Pune, we are uniting creativity and technology to solve real-world problems.
And creating solutions for green energy.
We are using creatively and technology to solve real-world problems.